Dearly beloved, I am gathered here today to show you what sugar can do for you. Drum Bus edition. Process.audio. Let's add sugar to the drum bus. So just so you know, all those tracks are being summed down to a bus called drum bus, which is assigned to this aux, and that's what you're listening to. So this is raw. When I hear this, I tell myself, I like to control the very, very bottom so it's not as much garbage super low down there. And then I'd like to maybe thicken the connection between the bass drum and the snare drum. And I like to open some super high end, maybe. Let's check it out. First, let's clean up the bottom. Better, right? And then I'm going to push the wet inject button in the middle, the big one, to add some excitement across all bands. And then I'll fine tune what I want to do with the different bands based on what I'm hearing. So check it out. Whenever using the high band, always check yin and yang. I'm going to bypass all other bands so I can show you that. In this case, the yin setting gives you the air effect, and the yang setting doesn't really. I'll play it again. So obviously, if we want air, this is yin. So maybe less air. And let's remove the bypasses. Maybe a little less at the super bottom. As a reminder, we started here. And now I'm going to saturate the transits a little bit. I usually use drive for that, and then I go into the 20 range-ish. If you're having a hard time hearing that, focus on the bass drum. Without the drive, it's a little more hi-fi and a little more real, but that's not what I'm looking for this particular sound or for this particular example. So check it out. Check the attack and the connection between the bass drum and the snare drum. So first off. Maybe a little more would be cool. As a reminder, the whole drum bus without sugar sounds like this. And the key here is that if you like this, but you want a little bit less of it, all you have to do is lower the wet inject. And as a reminder for the whole drum set, this is where we started this drum set. Using only sugar. Do try this at home. Et voilà.
Process.audio.